Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the recent Electrical Engineering Boards, April 2025, and this is under ng differential equations. So ayun guys, antay-antay lang, magiging engineer na kayo this week, and good luck din pala sa mga future civil engineers natin. Alam ko ang start ata ng boards nila this Sunday, or tomorrow I think. Good luck sa inyo future civil engineers, and good luck naman sa waiting time sa mga future electrical engineers. Find the differential equation of the family of lines passing through the origin. So if we will check the choices, kung mapapansin natin yung letter B and letter C, parehas yan, binaligtad lang. However, kapag sinagot nyo yung B or C, parehas yan mali. So, yun lang. Although, yung iba, Sir IJ, kita na namin yan, umiilaw na yung sagot letter D. Pero sige, explain pa rin natin para at least yung pinaka-importante kasi dito, balikan natin yung fundamentals or yung basic concepts. How do we obtain the differential equation of a certain family of curves? Like for this case, family of lines passing through the origin. So, alam naman natin guys, na meron tayong, sa isang equation ng isang line, meron tayong tinatawag na slope, that's the rise over run. And then, meron din tayong tinatawag na iba't ibang klase ng form. So, siguro ang pinakababalikan lang naman natin dito is yung pinaka-ano natin, yung, alam nyo yung point slope form. So, if we recall the point slope form, so, recall natin to guys para at least kahit paano yung mga basic ng analytic geometry natin. The point slope form is given by y minus y sub 1 equals m multiplied by x minus x sub 1, where x sub 1 and y sub 1 is yung point natin. However, it was stated in the problem that the line is passing through the origin, or that is the 0, 0. So that means na yung x sub 1 natin will be 0 and y sub 1 natin will be equal to 0. So if we will replace this with 0 and we simplify our equation, so we will come up with y is equal to mx. Okay, balik tayo sa concept ng differential equation. Kapag ino-obtain kasi natin yung differential equation of the family of certain curves, and then meron tayong mga arbitrary constants, the number of times that we will differentiate or kung ilang beses tayo magde-derivative is nakadepende kung ilan po ba yung arbitrary constant sa equation natin. So for this case, yung x and y kasi natin, ito yung mga dependent and independent variables natin. Yung dependent natin yung y, yung x yung independent natin, yung m naman natin yung arbitrary constant. So that means na meron tayong isang i-eliminate na arbitrary constant na ang conclusion is magdi-differentiate tayo once lang. Okay? So paano gagawin natin, Sir IJ? Isang arbitrary constant, isang derivative. Kung dalawa yan, dalawang beses. And then dapat eliminate natin lahat ng arbitrary constants. Okay? So yun guys. So anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? So ano derivative ng y? So we have y prime equals, ang derivative ng x is 1. Kaya lang yung m is a constant. So ilalagay pa rin natin yan, m times 1 or just simply m. So naka-differentiate na tayo, nakapag-derivative na tayo ng isang beses. Magde-differentiate pa po ba tayo, Sir IJ? Or are we still gonna get the second derivative? Hindi na. Kasi isa lang naman yung arbitrary constant nito. However, we need to do some algebraic manipulations or even substitution para mawala yung arbitrary constant natin na m. So for this case, we have y prime equals to m. Ilagay lang natin siya dito, mga lodi cakes. So we will have y equals y prime multiplied by x, in which yung y prime natin in terms of dy and dx. So let us recall na yung y prime natin is equal to dy dx. Okay, actually hindi pala siya dy over dx. Dy dx lang. So we have y equals x multiplied by dy over dx. And then multiply both sides by dx. So multiply natin both sides by dx, mga lodi cakes. So we will come up with y dx equals x dy. So, ilipat lang natin sa kabila. So, we will come up with the final answer. Y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. So, yung mga lodi cakes natin na na-review, which is also a password problem, umiilaw na yung choice na letter D. Pero yun, ano ba pinakamahalaga dito? Ma-discuss natin yung fundamental way para ma-compute yung differential equation of certain family of curves. So, sana guys, may natutunan kayo for today's video, and sana marami pa matutunan sa mga susunod na videos natin. Maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel ni Sir IJ, and I hope you all the best. Pagpalain kayo palagi ni Lord, and happy weekend guys. God bless you all.